In this video we are going to solve the question number 3, 5 and 3, 6. That means 5 of question number 3 and 6 of question number 3 of exercise 3.3. okay, so now a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both the numerator and the denominator. Okay, suppose there is a fraction we have considered, that is x by y. Okay, we have considered the fraction be x by y. So if we add 2 with the numerator and 2 with the denominator, then this fraction becomes 9 by 11. Okay, then again it is given that if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Now in the second condition it is given that if 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, okay, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, the fraction becomes 5 by 6. Okay, so now let us simplify this first. Okay, so here we have done cross multiplication, and doing so we have got 11x plus 22 is equal to 9y plus 18, which implies 11x is equal to 9y plus 18 minus 22. Okay, then now you see 18 minus 22 is minus 4, then this 11 comes down here, so which gives x is equal to 9y minus 4 by 11. We will substitute this value of x in the next equation. Okay, so now again we have done here cross multiplication, and doing so we have got 6x plus 18, 5y plus 15. Okay, 6 into x 6x, 6 into 3 18, then y into 5 5y, then 3 into 5 15. Okay, so now this value this x is replaced by this value of x. Okay, let us put the value of x here. Okay, and doing so we have got 6 into 9y minus 4 by 11 plus 18 is equal to 5y plus 15. Okay, using equation number 1. Okay, now multiply 6 here and here. Okay, so 9 6 are 54, y here 9y into 64, sorry 9y into 6 54y, and 6 minus 4 24 minus 24 here we have got. So now here you see 18 is transferred to other side of the equal sign, then which this plus 18 becomes minus 18, so 15 minus 18 is minus 3 here. Now let us multiply both side by 11. So I have multiplied here 11 and here also 11. Okay, this 11 cancels, and 11 into 5 55y, and 11 into 5y 55y, and 11 into minus 3 minus 33. Okay, so now here you see bring this 55y to this side, then you will get minus 55y. Okay, and transfer this minus 24 to other side, then it's become plus 24. Okay, then 54y minus 55y minus y, and 24 here minus 33 plus 24 is minus 9, so minus minus cancel. Okay, so value of y is equal to 9. Okay, so now putting this value of y in equation number 1. Okay, let us put this value of y here. Okay, in equation number 1, so here we can put the value of y. So putting y is equal to 9 in equation number 1, we have got, now replace this y by 9. So doing so we have got x is equal to x is equal to 9 into 9 minus 4 by 11. 9 9 is 81 here. 81 minus 4 by 11, which is equal to 77 by 11, that is equal to 7. Okay, because 11 7 is 77. So x is equal to 7 we have got, and y is equal to 9, and the fraction we have considered, that was x by y. So the required fraction is 7 by 9. As the value of x we have got 7, y is equal to 9. So that's how we can solve this question. Okay, now let me clean this first, then you can note it. Okay, so now let us solve the next question. Okay, so this is the last question. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. Okay, 3 times that of his son. Okay, sorry. Okay, now 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times of his son, and find 5 years ago. 5 years ago, Jacob age was 7 times that of his son. Okay, what are their present ages? Now a person named Jacob, he will be 3 times that of his son after 5 years. 5 years hence means after 5 years he will be 3 times of his son's age. Okay, now you see, let us consider Jacob's present age be x years and his son be y years. Okay, so if Jacob is now x years old, then after 5 years he will be x plus 5 and his son will be y plus 5, and according to the question, the Jacob age will be 3 times of that of his son. Okay, so that's why now multiply 3 here and here, the being so we have got thrice y plus 15. So in order to substitute the value of either x or y, we need to express this as a value of x or y. So that's why 5 is brought to this side, we have got minus 5 here. So here we on this side we have got x alone, which becomes this equation implies x is equal to thrice y plus 10. 15 minus 5 is equal to 10. So this is suppose equation number 1. Now in the question it is also given that 5 years ago Jacob's age was 7 times of that of his son. Okay, so 5 years ago, if the present age of Jacob is now x, then 5 years ago he was x minus 5, and his son is now y, then 5 years ago he was y minus 5, and this Jacob age was 7 times of his son. So we can write x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y minus 5. Okay, and from this relation we got an equation here, that is, here you see, here what we have done, this x is replaced by this value of x. Okay, because x is equal to thrice y plus 10 was there, so this x is replaced by x is equal to thrice y plus 10. Okay, this is from 1, we have written here using 1. Okay, using 1. So now from here you can see this thrice y is transferred to other side, that's why on the other side we got 7y minus thrice y. Whatever we have got this side, on this side I have written in this side. Okay, and this minus 35 is transferred to that side actually, which becomes plus 35, and here 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so now this implies, this relation or this equation implies 4y is equal to 40, and cancelling both sides by 4 we have got y is equal to 10. Okay, so we have got 10, dividing both sides by 4 we have got here 10. Now putting this value of y in equation number 1 here, let's put the value of y in 1. Okay, we have got x is equal to 3 into 10 plus 10. Okay, here you see x is equal to thrice y plus 10. As y is equal to 10 we have got, so it's become 3 into 10 plus 10. 3 tens are 30, 30 plus 10, that's 40. So the present age of Jacob is 40 years, because we have considered Jacob's present age is x years, so value of x is the Jacob's age, and death of his son is 10 years, as the value of y is 10. Okay, so hope you have understood this. So let me clean this.